Alright guys, so it's your boy Nick here, and we got the Tempest core running at about 50 watts. Now I'm having this float anywhere between 69 to about 75 degrees, it looks like, just depending on my contrast. But man, we are cooling the suit outdoors in the heat. It's successfully running. I want you guys to see the exhaust on this thing. It looks beautiful. Getting above 100 degree discharge air temps. Let's hit the contrast on here. 105. Got headers on it, basically like big V8 headers, transferring the heat, making some cool. I'm about to put on the cryo suit, man. It's been a long, hot day. Yeah, we should be able to get this thing portable here soon.